back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you something super cool, basically introduction of a Laravel new package, that is Vantage. So basically this package tracks and monitor your queue jobs, automatically record job execution history, failure retries, and provide a simple web interface to view everything. So let's start. So first of all, here I'll just simple open my IDE, and here I already created my Laravel trial project and install the composer in it, and run the command that this package required installation. Okay, so for your guidance I just simple open my terminal, and here as you already know, for creating new Laravel project you have to run this command, Laravel new test, but I already set up my project, so we don't need this. Okay, and after it what you have to do is you just simple go to this Laravel news site, and here you can also see a bit documentation of this package. So its main feature like universal queue driver support, job tracking, failure details, web interface, and all the things. Okay, so in the next thing is they also provide a GitHub repo. You can also go to repo by clicking on this, and when you open this, it show you a simple introduction and installation guide. So first you have to copy this composer require command and install it. I already have, so I just simple close it. Okay, and after installing this you have to run this command and publish the config of Vantage, and then in the third step you just simple run this php artisan migrate, and just that, and these are the installation step, and after installation step these are the basically requirement of Vantage composer package, and you can also see its feature and all the things here. So now it's time to just when you set up composer and run the vendor publish command, then we just simply do is I just simply run my project using this php artisan serve, and just what I did here is like I just simple show you. Here you can see I just simple go to my routes web.php, and basically in the web.php I basically make three uh, queue jobs that are successful job and failed job and multiple job at the same time as well, for your understanding and introduction. So first of all what you have to do is I just simply import here route queue and log. Okay, so don't worry, also I also give you this code in the repo, and you can also check this code from my GitHub repo, and I will provide the link in the description. So first I'll do is on slash route, on default route, I just simply return this, and I just simple pass here the route, and on the route on slash success it hit this, and on slash fail it hit fail job, and on multiple it hit this job. Okay, and one more important thing is Vantage required authentication, like Vantage protect the dashboard with Laravel gate system similar to Horizon to view the view Vantage gate. Okay, so now we need to make sure that our application has authentication setup, Laravel, Breeze, Jetstream, or any other on if you are doing any custom authentication as well. So now we need to disable the authentication, and for this you have to do is go to app providers, app service provider, and within this you have to first import this eliminates support packets gate, and here you have to pass this in the boot function gate define view Vantage, and pass here user null. Basically it now allow access to Vantage dashboard without even authentication for development. Okay, so just close this, and now I just simple open my terminal, and here I just simple go to this, and I just simple open the Vantage dashboard, and now here you can see it is showing me the dashboard, but I don't have any kind of success job, failed job, or process job, but when I'll just simple run this dispatch success job, And now here you can see a success job dispatch. And now when I'll just simple reload it, it does not show me anything because I need to run here as I'm using queue. So we need to run this PHP artisan queue work. Okay. And now when I'll just simple run this, it run my job. Okay. So that's great. And now when I'll just simple reload it, and now here you can see it is showing me total job 1, process job 1. So my success job is process. And also in the all job section, you can filter out the jobs by processed, and here you can see my job is processed, it is successfully done. And also you can filter out the jobs by failed and all the if you are using any other queue names, so you can also filter out with that as well. And also if you are using some specific jobs classes like success job, failure job, you can also search them by here as well. And in the failed job section, we does not have any failed job. So now I'll just simple dispatch failed job, and now it's say me failed job dispatch, and I'll just simple reload it. And now here you can see it is showing me the failed job. We can also retry it as well. And in the all job session, it also show me a failed job as well. So that's the amazing great thing. And here in the dashboard, it also show me the failed job, processing, success rate as well. And also I just simple check this multiple jobs at the same time, failed and success. So 3 success job, and now we have 2 failed job, and we'll just simply reload it. And now here you can see we have I have 7 job and 4 are processed and 2 are failed. So that's the think of this Vantage dashboard. And we can also check the memory usage, ppack memory, CPU time, and memory delta as well. So these are the things. Also I have here top memory consumer here, recent jobs, and all the description of this. And also when I'll just simply click on this action, I'll also see the detailed view of this job as well. I just simple show you from here. I just simple open this, just click on this view, and it show me the detail description of it, like connection, database, attempt 1, it succeed in first attempt, and memory usage of it, quick stats, payload, and all the things in it, started at and finished at. Okay, so these are the things. You can also check the debug console as well, and debug your queue failed job in it as well. So these are the things. These it is the amazing thing that Laravel Vantage dashboard provide. So we can monitor and use in it. We can monitor and track our Laravel queue jobs and use it in our system by just installing in one command. So this is it, and this is our today's video demo. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.